Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's make sweet chutney for Chaat recipes. This is a very easy recipe. We can make this sweet chutney and freeze it even for a month. For this recipe, I have taken 12 dates, tamarind about a lemon size, jaggery or sugar 5 to 6 tablespoons, jeera powder half teaspoon, chili powder half teaspoon, a pinch of salt, and water 2 cups. Since I'm using seeded tamarind, I soaked in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes and got the juice. If we are using seedless tamarind, we can directly add water and boil it. I'm adding all other ingredients to the tamarind juice, and we are going to boil this until the dates are soft. The dates are cooked well. Now I'm going to add this to a blender and blend it until it's smooth. Sweet chutney is ready. You can see the consistency. We can serve this with all kinds of Indian Chaat recipes. Try this and send your comments, and also subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching.